attracts daw each other. Ibig po bang sabihin nun,
Silent type siya.
yung husband nyo ay quiet, tapos kayo noisy.
Wow! Alam nyo, si Christian is quiet only outside. Pero sa
in the house?
bahay, nako, ang saya-saya niya.
Hindi meron kayong sariling debate.
Debates.
Oo, pero it's more yung bang, very interesting conversation. Palagay ko kami hindi talaga opposites eh. Kasi we share the same sense of humor, for example. We share the same, yung bang punto de vista most of the time about certain issues. Siya lang, his public persona is quiet and calm.
Reserved,
Ako what I am in private, I am in public.
So, sino unang napipikon? Let's say you have difference of opinion.
Wala namang pikunan eh. Kasi, ang pag-argument namin
Objective.
issue naman eh.
Issue.
Paano sa bahay? Parang kung anong ulam. Yung ganon. Sino unang gagamit ng banyo?
Anong gusto mong ulam? Ayun.
Nagluluto po ba kayo?
Of course, ha?
Nagluluto po ba kayo?
Weekends, pag nasa Subic kami, kasi dalawa lang kami pumupunta, maliit yung bahay na aming tinitirahan, medyo mahirap kung
Maraming
magulo.
luto.
Oo. So, for two, kayang-kaya ko.
Was there ever a time na kayo naman ni Paring Oka ang nagdebate dahil talagang sumobra
Iba-ibang
na yung pagiging
issues,
iba
oo.
ng opinion nyo?
Hindi, si paring Oka at ako, we're not very often na pareho ang aming views. Hindi,
So,
kaya lang,
totoo
sinasabi
talaga.
niya kung anong view niya, sinasabi ko na view. In other words, just because you have a different point of view doesn't mean na
Away kayo.
magkaaway kayo. You
I don't try to
very
change
good
his
friends,
point of view.
but
You respect each
ayoko
other's points of view.
Of course. Basta ba sinasabi mo kung anong basihan at sasabihin ko kung anong basihan, hindi tayo nagkakatugma. Di sorry na lang, but at least you have told me what you think, I tell you what you think, mayaan na yung mga iba.
May time po ba na meron kayong politiko na binatikos nyo pagkatapos nagalit sa inyo?
Maraming napipikon lalo na sa mga columns ko. Pero kung meron naman silang nasasabi na on their side, hindi naman ako nag-hesitate na binibigay ko eh. Kasi I have my views. They are not universal.
Exactly.
I am not God.
That is your view.
Meron silang kanilang point of view, gusto nilang sabihin. Di sinasabi ko naman kung anong sinasabi nila. Hindi ba yung, basta yung akin lang, try to quiet. Hindi naman ganon.
How about now you're a grandmother? Have you toned down or are you the same?
No, why should I being a grandmother tone me down?
I have no idea actually. I have no idea.
No. But siyempre being a grandmother, basta yung is a new love in your
It's a
life.
new love.
Ay, sarap.
Ibang-iba
Sa pagiging
ang
mommy.
maging grandmother sa magiging mother.
Di, baka nga all the more yung pangraso niya para maging mas matapang, di ba? Para ipaglalaban niya yung rights ng aking mga grandchildren.
They will do it by themselves, but joy na joy kasi nasa iyo lahat ang happiness, wala sa iyong responsibilidad, hindi ba?
Exactly.